to our cabbage soup. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my cabbage soup. Now it looks like it's a lot of ingredients, but when you will be living on cabbage soup for 7 days, you better make sure that it tastes good. So going from here, this is one large head of cabbage already chopped up and ready to go. And on this one, this is half a bunch of collard green. This is collard green. I'll be adding some collard green to this. And this is 2 cups of chopped carrots. And this is 1.5 cup of green pepper and red pepper. And this is 3 large onion. I love onion, so I add a lot of onion to my cooking. And over here for the seasoning side, I'll be using here, let me just explain this. This is ginger, grated ginger. This is about 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. And this is 3 cloves of garlic. This is 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. And this is 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I'll be putting some paprika. It gives it a lot of smoky flavor and also nice color. And over here, this is oregano and curry powder and 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and half a tablespoon of black pepper. And over here, this is just two cubes of bouillon, vegetable bouillon cubes, and 9 milliliter of vegetable broth. And also just some salt for seasoning so that it will have some taste. One other thing that I forgot to add here is 1 bunch of green onion, which I'll be adding to it later. So inside the pot here already, I have half a cup of oil that is ready to go. And now I'm going to start putting everything together, and then we'll start cooking. Cooking for about 20 minutes. Now I'll be adding the collard green. So let me just add the collard green right now. It looks very, very good. and it smells amazing. It smells really yummy inside here. When you add the green vegetable, it looks very nice. Just all that color, red, green, orange, and the cabbage itself. And you can see the color. This is what the paprika gives it. It gives it this color. Very nice color, and it also gives it a little bit of smokiness to it. So you will really enjoy using the smoked Spanish paprika when you're preparing this soup. So the last but not the least is going to be the green onions, which I'm just chopping up now. I'll chop it up and then I'll add it to the soup because the soup is actually done already. Bubbling away. Bubbling away. And right now I'm just going to turn up this heat because the soup is already done, and just the heat of the soup will cook the green onion, full of color and very bold in taste. So that's it. This is our cabbage soup, very nutritious, full of goodness, and there you have it. Now I'm going to turn off my stove and we're done. So this is our cabbage soup now. You can have it however you want it. You might want to have it in this form, or you might want to have it blended up. You just put it in a blender and blend it up. Some people prefer it like this. I prefer mine this way. So this is how I like to eat it. My husband prefers to eat it this way, so everybody have a choice. But there you have it. You can do whatever you want with your cabbage soup. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified once I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.